Have you seen those lights that most influencers have at their background that is just like a specific color? You can definitely buy it from Amazon, but if you're like me, you would want to know how it's made, right? So you can make it with Arduino, and I'm going to show you right now. All you need is your Arduino Uno, your RGB LED, which you can get from the market for very, very cheap, and resistors. So this is the circuit. You're going to design the circuit. The first thing you have to do is specify variables, which is red pin, green pin, and blue pin. This is just specifying RGB of the RGB pin. And then what we're going to put after we say red pin, blue pin, and green pin is the number where we are connecting the RGB to. According to the circuit, as you can see, we connected it to A1, A2, A3. After you've done that, you specify your string, which is string my color, which is going to hold the value you're going to type in. That's like when you wake up in the morning, the value you're going to type in, that's red, green, or blue. That's string my color is going to hold it. String message is going to hold the message you're going to see that morning, which is what color do you want to put in. Then void setup, you're going to set the pin up. You just have to follow what output. Pin mode, red pin output, because it's going to pass out voltage to the red. Pin mode, green pin output, pass out voltage to green pin. Pin mode, blue pin output. Then void setup, we are first going to say serial dot print message. So you're going to print the message, what color do you want to put in. While serial dot available equal to 0 brackets, that whole thing just means check the serial monitor. Have you put anything there before? If after you've done that, you won't put anything inside the while loop. After you've done the while loop, after the while loop, my color equal to serial dot read string. This is going to read the serial monitor. If you've typed a color in, it's going to store that color into my color. So the color I want to see is either when I type violet, I want to see violet color. When I type purple, I want to see purple color. When I type neon, I want to see neon green. Those numbers inside the analog right, you just go online and you will type RGB color for violet, RGB color for purple, RGB color for neon green. Any color you want to use, you just go online and type RGB color, and then you just put the color according to how I wrote it, red, green, and blue. Analog right, because we're using analog pins. So let's go to the circuit and you will see the circuit. So in the circuit, I've connected a virtual terminal because we're simulating it, and the virtual terminal we're going to type into, like the interface. So if you run it, it's up and running. So the virtual interface is asking me what color do I want. I'm going to type in violet. And once you type in violet, you can see you won't really see the color because of the simulation. You won't really see the color because of the simulation, but this would be very bright in real life. So the next color I want to see is neon green. As you can see, the color looks a bit darker because again this is simulation. And then purple. Drop a like, drop a comment.